Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset your home screen layout. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to open your settings and then scroll down until you see General. And then once you click General, you want to scroll down until you see Reset or Transfer or Reset iPhone. So you just want to click on that, and then after that you want to click Reset Home Screen Layout. So here, this will reset your home screen layout to factory defaults. So just go ahead and click that and your home screen will be reset. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.